If Microsoft Word is giving you an error when opening a file, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the best methods to repair the document, check Word settings, and get the file opening normally again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and go to File, then Open, and then Browse. Find the document that is causing the error and click it once. Now look for the small arrow next to the Open button. Click that arrow and choose Open and Repair. This is one of the quickest ways to fix a damaged Word file because Word will try to recover the document and open it in a repaired state. If the file opens after this step, save it immediately under a new name so you have a fresh copy. If that does not work, the next thing to check is Word's protected view settings. Go to File, then Options, then Trust Center, and then Trust Center Settings. From there, click Protected View. You'll see 3 checkboxes. Uncheck all 3 boxes. Protected View is a security feature, but sometimes it blocks documents that are actually safe. After turning it off, click OK and try opening the file again. If the document opens now, the issue was probably being caused by one of those protection settings. Another very useful fix is to move the file to a different location. If your document is stored in a network folder, email attachment, synced cloud folder, or OneDrive location, Word may have trouble opening it properly. Try copying the file to your local desktop first, then open the desktop copy instead of the original. This can solve issues caused by syncing problems, file access permissions, or a slow connection to the original location. If you are still seeing the error, the problem may be with Microsoft Office itself. Open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, and look for Microsoft Office in the list of installed programs. Select it, then choose Change or Repair. Depending on your version of Office, you may see a quick repair option and an online repair option. Start with the quick repair first. If that does not fix it, try the full repair. This can correct missing or corrupted Office files that may be preventing Word from opening documents correctly. In some cases, antivirus software or firewall settings can interfere with Word opening files. If you recently installed new security software, or if the file came from another computer, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and test the file again. Just remember to turn your protection back on right after testing. This step is only for troubleshooting, but it can help you confirm whether security software is blocking the document. If the file still will not open, try restarting your computer and opening Word again before testing the document one more time. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches and reset locked file processes. Also, make sure the document is not already open in another instance of Word or being used by another program in the background. At this point, one of these methods usually fixes the issue. Start with Open and Repair, then check Protected View, then move the file locally, and finally repair Microsoft Office if needed. That order gives you the best chance of getting the document open without losing data. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.